Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second Sudoku. Second Sudoku, a two-star Sudoku in this additional, not of today's newspaper, but of the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, September the 4th, 2021. We have two puzzles left, a Sudoku with 2 stars and a tectonic with 1 star. And today on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the yesterday's newspaper. And this one will be number 3349. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. The 6 in this column, first column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only 3 places for the 6 should be here, or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, here, 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. Alright. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. Then. Let me see. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 1. We have a 2 and a 1 in this row, so no 2 and a 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 1, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. Two numbers left in this big square. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 3 in this column. 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row. 3 in the second row. So the third row, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then 1, 1. Okay. 2, 3. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this row. The 1 is missing. 2 and the 2 is missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Nine, 7, and a 1. 8, 9, no, 7 and 6, 7 and 5, yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and a 5. We have a 7 and a 5 in the middle column. So no 7 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 7 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, and the 8 is missing. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, and the 9 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in the middle column for the number 1. Okay. 5, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these two boxes. There 5, no 5 in those two boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those two boxes. In this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 8 and a 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in this box. The 9 goes in that box, and 8 goes in this box.
Con chú thấy sao rồi luôn?
One, 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, and the 7 is missing. Well. 4, 5. So the 7 and 1. No, 7 and the 3 should be here. Yeah. Well. 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8. No 8 in these 3 boxes. Here an 8. No 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. Do we have all the 8s? No. Well. 2 is also missing. 2 and 4. 1 and, yeah. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in the first column. The missing numbers here are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, 3 and the 4 is missing. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4, and look, we have a 1 and 4 in this row. So no 1 and 4 in this box. The 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, so 1 digit left in the first column for the number 2. So we have a 2 in this first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2, okay. 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9, well, the 1, I believe, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. Okay. 2 numbers left in the third column. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 3 and a 9. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. So 9, okay. 1 box left in the second row for the number 9. Yes, 9 is missing. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in the last column. 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see this number 1, number 9. All right. 1, 3, 4. 1, 4, and 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number. Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5. And look, we have a 1 and a 4 in this row. So no 1 and a 4 in this box. The 1 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. All right. 1, 4, 3, okay. 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. All right. 1, 2, 6. Yeah. 3, 3. How about 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 8, 8. 6, 6. 6, 6. And 8, 8, 8, 6, 8, 7, 7, 7. 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8. And look, we have a 7 and 8 in this column, so no 7 and 8 in this box. The 7 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 7 and 8. So 1 digit left here for the number 6. Okay, 7 and 8. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. All right. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see this number 2, number 2. All right. Then the 8 in this column, the 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between, the only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8's are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. 1 box left in the last row for the number 7. I remember the 7 and 8. Okay. So now 1 box left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. All right. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. There are 5 in this column, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. I've marked earlier with those 2 boxes with a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. Okay, and all the 5's are used. I can see this number 4, number 5. All right, and now let me see. 4, 4. Okay, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 4 should be there. One box left in this big square for the number 1. One box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1 is missing, 2, and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. One box left in this row. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. All right, now we have a 4 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4, so this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. So we have a 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And the last 2 numbers in this big square, the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finished in 60 minutes. All right, great Sudoku. I like this one. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle, a tectonic one. See you then. Bye bye for now.